Today we will learn how to create this CGI ad using the new Kling Model O1. And this is not a small update or minor improvement. This is something completely fresh. Think of it like the Nano Banana Pro of the videos. So I'm going to walk you through the whole process from generating the images, editing them, and finally to create the video itself. So without any further ado, let's dig into business. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nour and this is Nour Art channel. Alright, so what is Kling O1? The best thing to describe it is the Nano Banana Pro for the videos. You can talk directly with the natural language with it. This is one model for the whole workflow. Generation, modification, in-painting, out-painting. You can change the green screen and replace it with any background you want. You can mix up to 7 elements into one design consistently by providing all the elements you want in the video. And before we go to create the CGI ad you've seen in the intro, let me show you some use cases of this model that will completely blow your mind. So for example, this guy element, giving it a prompt, it turned into this video and this one, and the level of consistency is really great. Here's another example of a banana cat. Just give it the image from different angles and you can use it however you want. Another image of this Korean girl, different shots from different angles. This is a new element, and we can use the banana cat element and this Korean girl element into one video consistently. And here is another version. Guys, you're now having like full control of the video. You're inserting the elements into one video directly from your imagination. Another example here, you can provide this image of the cat, the image of the drink. Can you see this? And this one is really mind-blowing. This is one of the best use cases for this model because you can just generate a camera motion inside any 3D software like Unreal Engine with some 3D blocks like this and instantly turn them into a final polished CGI scene with one prompt. Can you imagine that? You are now mimicking the camera motion and the pacing of the video. The level of control here is really crazy. So you can have this image of the man in the motorcycle and you're having this like video with some blocks and insert it as a video reference to catch the camera motion accurately. And here's another really exciting use case. In filmmaking, you can now predict the next scene or the previous scene of a video. So for example, based on the reference video in the left, you can give it a prompt to generate another video from a different angle using the same vibes, the same look of the movie. And of course, you can use the first frame and the second frame option into this model. So to use Kling O1, head over to Higgsfield.ai, the link is in the description, and go to video and Kling O1 edit. So how this works, basically you can upload a video, specific video or specific image or specific element and write a prompt describing what you want to have in the final output. So let's say I'm having this CGI ad and I want to edit this video to add some elements to it or even to remove the coffee machine at all from the scene. So you can just upload the video from here and press save, and then you can input any kind of images that you want. So for example, let's upload an image of the perfume, this Sauvage one, and here we can write the prompt. So let's say replace the coffee machine, and then you can tag the video by writing add sign and then tag the video, the first video. So replace the coffee machine in video 1 with this product and then tag the image of the perfume that we uploaded. You can choose from the settings here from 3 seconds output to 10 seconds and the aspect ratio that you want. So let's leave it 16:9 and press generate. And with a touch of a button, we have replaced the product from a video into another product. Now we understand how to use Kling O1. Let's create the CGI ad we have shown you in the first of the video. So to start off, I'm going to go to image and Nano Banana Pro. And the idea that was in my mind is to create a CGI ad for launching the new product in Egypt. And I want to represent this by making the product coming out from inside the pyramid itself. So I started with Nano Banana and give it this prompt. Create artistic shot of the big pyramid of Giza. The pyramid is split in half. The upper section is floating in the air and with blue sky, and press generate. And after some trials I got this image and this one, which I really like. The shot is amazing. The vacuum inside the pyramid is great to put the product inside. So the next step is to get this image. Let's drag it and put it inside here, and let's give it this prompt: make the pyramid complete, and press generate. I just want to have the same image of this shot but with the complete pyramid, and we have got this result, which is amazing. And now we can go to generating the video. And for video generation we can use Kling or we can use Google Veo 3.1. I prefer in this stage to use Google Veo 3.1 because of its capabilities in generating really high quality sound effects. So we will use this as the first frame and this as the second frame, and we will make the transition using Veo 3.1. In here, start frame, let's put this image, and for this end frame we will use this one. And let's give it this prompt: generate a CGI ad where the camera pans around the pyramid and suddenly it splits into two halves. The upper half is flying in the air while people walk around it with epic music and sound effects of rock splitting. The duration is 8 seconds. Full HD size, and press generate. And here is the final result, which is really nice. I like how it looks. I like also the music. The sound effects are good. Okay, this is really nice. Now let's bring this into Kling O1 and put it with the product. So let's get back to video and Kling O1 edit, and let's upload our video here. And in the images I'm going to upload the product image, which is this product shot. So let's just upload this image and let's type this prompt: generate a CGI ad where the camera pans around the video one and suddenly it splits into two halves. The upper half is flying in the air and the product, which is in the image one, get out from inside the pyramid with some flying strawberries and some lemon pieces. This is the flavor of the drink flying around it. Let's add with some splashes and press generate. And I didn't get the best result from the first trial, so this is one trial. I don't like, of course, that the pyramid is already open, but I like the splashes, I like the camera pans, I like the fruits, but this needs some work. I got also this one, which doesn't give me the idea that I wanted, but I really like how these fruits and splashes looks. But let's try another one, and this is the one I wanted. Let's see. That's exactly the idea that was in my mind. It needs some work actually, maybe some upscaling or maybe blending the splashes from the other video with this one. But overall, this is something solid we can work with. I took some of the footage I got and doing some basic edits, I can get this result. Let's see. And yeah, of course it's not perfect, it needs a lot of work, maybe some upscaling using like Topaz Astra or something, but this is promising. This Kling O1 model is really amazing in terms of editing elements inside the video itself, and this is going to be improved, and I'm sure the consistency will improve as well. And of course I'm going to test it out with a lot of other use cases, and I'll make another video about it. So let me know, guys, what do you think about this model in the comments, and yeah, see you soon in next tutorials. Peace.